Welcome back. Today I'm going to be making a table and a bench just out of some logs we pulled from the forest. Got them cut in half. I just have to plane them and level them out, make them nice and smooth. I did end up getting a little bit of a gouge out of the table or bench. I'm not sure which one to make it yet. I'll probably end up making it a bench and just plane down further than the gouge, so it'll end up being a seat and a little bit narrow. So the first thing I gotta do is find the most level point of the log. I was able to cut it fairly even, minus the gouge. But, let's, better than eyeball this, I'm gonna put the level on it, make sure it's as close to level across the entire log, so I don't have to take down too much level on any one side. So I pretty much have to get one good pass going, and then after I have this single pass done, I'll have what's going to end up being level behind the planer, and then everything else is simply adjusting how much of a rise the front will accept. I have to keep making multiple passes on both logs at first just to get down, below all the low spots. That should be upward based on how the knots are coming out of the center of the table. Yeah, see, nice and straight all the way across. Just gonna have to fill that gouge with something to make it look good. Like I said, you can see it's kind of pitched right here, so I think I can probably make that into either, like a beach sand or maybe like a mountain range with some snow tops in it. So yeah, if you look here, you can see how the knots basically look at them like they're branches and they're shooting out and up. So here's the first one, and now it's time to get started on the second one. So I gotta get this thing out of the way. I'm just gonna scoot it off to the side. I just got to get this other log moved over, get it as level as I can, just like the last one. Then we'll start planing this thing as well. So this one went pretty quick. It was pretty easy because I didn't have any dips in it. It just had a couple lifts. And here we go. So I just have a couple high spots at the very end I gotta clean up here real quick. We're gonna get a little bit of a close-up shot of that process. But here's the other side knocked out. Nice and clean. Those little rises right there, we'll take care of those little guys with the sander. So just making sure I get the far end all nice and clean. Once it's smooth and everything's, you know, more or less level, everything, all the other rises can be like cleaned up with a sander. It was pretty good to call it a wrap. And here we go. Here's the second piece. And this one's ready to rock and roll. No highs, lows, or any kind of mess, you know, no defects or anything that I have to clean up or patch or fill in. Just nice one, easy bench. So now it's time to clean everything up real quick. I gotta get it all out of the way so that I can work on cutting one more log for the feet. So this is gonna be two 20-inch pieces for the table stands and two 12-inch pieces for the bench. So here we go. Everything's all set. I think what I'm gonna do is take down the bench so that the gouge is gone. That'll make it to where it's not so deep of a seat. So here we are. So all set. Another one wrapped up. Come check in again for part 2. I'm gonna basically fill that gap with some resin and make it some sort of a scene. I'm probably gonna ask my wife to help me out since she's the pro with resin. And in the next video, I'm gonna make a UV box for said resin art. And yeah, check back in. Thank you guys. See you soon.